Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the two most common battery types used in electric pallet jacks, lead-acid and lithium-ion. We'll explore the technical aspects of these battery types, examining their strengths, weaknesses, and suitability for use in electric pallet jacks. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the lead-acid battery. Lead-acid batteries have been a long-standing choice for electric pallet jacks due to their affordability and widespread availability. A lead-acid battery is a rechargeable electrochemical device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. These batteries consist of lead plates immersed in an electrolyte solution of sulfuric acid and water. This is how it actually works. As discussed earlier, it consists of lead and lead dioxide electrodes submerged in an electrolyte solution of sulfuric acid and water. During the discharging process, or we can say when it is supplying power to the load, the negative electrode, which we call an anode made up of a lead plate, is oxidized and releases electrons, thus forming lead sulfate. Similarly, the positive electrode, which we call a cathode made up of a lead dioxide plate, also reacts with sulfuric acid solution and accepts electrons from the anode plate. The electrolyte solution of sulfuric acid and water facilitates the flow of electrons between the electrodes. This flow of electrons subsequently generates an electrical current. As the reaction proceeds, the concentration of sulfuric acid in the electrolyte decreases and water content increases. As the water content increases, the battery gets discharged. However, once the battery is discharged, this is how the recharging works. When the battery is connected to a charger, an external electrical current is applied in the opposite direction. Therefore, the lead and lead dioxide plates react with the sulfuric acid and produce lead sulfate in a reversible manner. The sulfuric acid in the electrolyte is also regenerated, restoring the battery's ability to provide electrical energy. This reverse chemical reaction allows the battery to be recharged by applying an external electrical source from a charger. Lithium-ion batteries, on the other hand, are a more modern and advanced technology. They use lithium-based compounds as the primary electrochemical components, offering superior energy density and longer operational life compared to lead-acid batteries. A lithium-ion battery uses lithium ions as the primary charge carriers. It consists of a positive electrode made of a lithium compound, usually lithium metal oxide, a negative electrode made of carbon or graphite, and an electrolyte solution which is a lithium salt that allows the lithium ions to move between the electrodes. During discharge, lithium ions move from the negative electrode to the positive electrode, creating a flow of electrons through the external circuit and generating electrical energy. During charging, the process is reversed, with lithium ions moving back to the negative electrode. When it comes to analyzing which one is best for an electric pallet jack, we have made a quick comparison table. So, when it comes to power delivery, lead-acid batteries can provide a consistent power output throughout their discharge cycle, but their voltage drops gradually as the battery depletes. In contrast, lithium-ion batteries maintain a relatively steady voltage until they approach a low state of charge, at which point the voltage drops sharply. The second performance factor that should be considered is energy capacity and runtime. Lithium-ion batteries offer higher energy density, which translates into longer runtime and increased operational efficiency for electric pallet jacks. Lead-acid batteries, while still capable, generally have lower energy density and shorter runtimes. When it comes to recharge times, lithium-ion batteries can be recharged more quickly than lead-acid batteries, which reduces downtime and increases productivity. However, lead-acid batteries can handle opportunity charging, partial recharging, more effectively, which can be beneficial in certain applications. The maintenance needs of these batteries must also be considered. Lead-acid batteries require periodic maintenance, such as checking and topping up the electrolyte levels, as well as monitoring for potential issues like sulfation. Lithium-ion batteries, on the other hand, are essentially maintenance-free, providing a more convenient and hassle-free operation. Considering the cycle life of these batteries is also a must. Lithium-ion batteries typically have a longer cycle life than lead-acid batteries, meaning they can withstand more charge-discharge cycles before needing replacement. This translates into a longer overall lifespan and lower long-term costs. When it comes to usage, lead-acid batteries are often used in applications where consistent power delivery is crucial. They are ideal for low-intensity use. Meanwhile, lithium-ion batteries are preferred for their lightweight and high energy density. They are ideal for high-intensity use and multi-shift operations. Now comes the crucial concern of many warehouse managers: the cost. While lead-acid batteries have a lower upfront cost, lithium-ion batteries typically have a higher initial investment. However, the longer lifespan and reduced maintenance requirements of lithium-ion batteries can offset the higher upfront cost over the battery's lifetime. When it comes to the weight and size of these batteries, lithium-ion batteries are generally lighter and more compact than lead-acid batteries with equivalent capacity. The lighter weight of lithium-ion batteries contributes to improved maneuverability for the pallet jack. To sum up, when it comes to recommending the best for you, we'll say that for applications requiring consistent power delivery, frequent and heavy use, or where initial cost is a primary concern, lead-acid batteries may be the preferred choice. However, if runtime, weight, size, and minimal maintenance are priorities, lithium-ion batteries offer significant advantages despite their higher upfront cost. In conclusion, both lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries have their unique strengths and weaknesses when it comes to electric pallet jacks. The choice ultimately depends on your specific requirements, such as runtime, power delivery, weight constraints, and maintenance preferences. By understanding the differences between these two battery types, you can make an informed decision that optimizes performance, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness for your operations. Before we wrap up, we would like to introduce you to our dedicated platform, Pallet Jackson. At Pallet Jackson, we understand the importance of selecting the right battery for your electric pallet jack. Our team of experts can guide you through the selection process, taking into account your specific operational requirements, usage patterns, and budget constraints. We offer a wide range of high-quality lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries, inclusive of their accessories like connectors, chargers, terminals, and many more. With our commitment to exceptional customer service and competitive pricing, you can trust Pallet Jackson to provide the ideal battery solution for your electric pallet jack. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions or need assistance in selecting the right battery for your electric pallet jack, feel free to reach out to our team at 832-239-5393. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you in the next video.